Welcome to another episode of Drunk Apron. Today we're taking a classic, refreshing summertime drink using whiskey bourbon. What is that? That's the brown derby. Make this drink, I don't feel fancy enough in the attire I got on, so give me 1 second. This feels much better. Some interesting facts I looked up for the derby? Check these out. Did you know the amount of food consumed at the Derby is pretty astounding? On average, spectators will eat 142,000 hot dogs, 18,000 barbecue sandwiches, 13,800 pounds of beef. That's a weird one, should just even that out. At 32,400 jumbo shrimp, 9,000 scallops, 8,000 pounds of potatoes, 30,000 cookies, and 300,000 strawberries. That's per year. Wow. The traditional drink of the Derby is the mint julep. Oops. And over 120,000 are said to be consumed each year. Them's a bunch of drunks. Let's teach you how to make this. Come on. This drink is so easy. We got some bourbon whiskey. We got ourselves some grapefruit, some honey. First step of this is to take the honey and make a honey syrup. So let's go. Alright, first things first, you get your little saucepan hot. We're going to take some water. This is equal parts of water and honey. This is to make the honey syrup. Super simple. Look at that. Honey and water. Bring that up to a boil and then let it simmer till all the honey's dissolved. Then you just cool it off and there's your honey syrup. Right there's what you're looking for. It's all dissolved and delicious. Now you're just going to cool this thing off. Silly me, I done forgot one of the main components of this little drink. We got some ruby red grapefruit. We're going to take ourselves a fresh grapefruit right here and we're going to cut little slice for it for garnish. Presentation's everything around here now, ain't it? Take that, we're going to cut ourselves a nice little slice over here. Oh, that's good stuff. Chop it, chop it, chop it. Let's take this and make it good. We got some ice we're going to put in our shaker. We're going to take some of that ruby red grapefruit juice. How much you ask? We're going to take about an ounce of that. Yeah, that's about right. We're going to take that honey syrup we done made. Same thing, about an ounce of that going in there as well. Oh, that's going to be good. And then we got ourselves some of that bourbon whiskey I've been talking about. 2 ounces of that. Perfect. We're going to shake that bad boy up. Alright, let's go ahead and shake this up. I know some of you little professionals out there are going to be like, Heath, you're bruising the bourbon. You're not supposed to shake it. Well, you know what? You. Up yours, guys. This is my channel. I do what I want. We're going to get that little That feels about right. Take this thing off. We're going to strain it into our fancy glass. Look at that. That looks brown derby-ish to me. Oh, would you look at that? It don't get much better than that. And how we going to garnish that? We're going to take some of that grapefruit we done sliced earlier. And look at that. That's fancy if you ask me. Thanks for watching another episode of Drunk Apron, guys. Hit that subscribe, click that thumbs up. I need all the help I can get. We'll see you next time, guys. Drunk Apron, out.